Alright, so we're going to do our IP67 test. We've got about 1.36 millimeters of water. 1.36 meters, sorry. So it's going to be about 1/10 to the top when it hits the bottom there. So that's certainly 1 meter of water done. So now we're going to use the stopwatch here to clear that. Alright, so we're going to go for a swim straight in. Okay, here we go. We've got a little bit of bubbles coming out. That's probably just out of the handle, hopefully just out of the handle. Alright, so that's at the bottom. We're going to start the test. And the bubbles have stopped. So, we can pause for now, and in 30 minutes we'll see what's going on and we'll power it up. So we are coming to 10 seconds to go. So we're about to raise the joystick out of the water. So we are now exactly 30 minutes. So up she goes. Alright. Okay, so okay. A little bit coming out of the handle still. Coming out of the drain holes we made as well. Doesn't sound like, still sounds like there's a little bit of water somewhere, but where it is we don't know yet. So, okay. Sounds like there's a little bit in the head, but grab a rag, dry it off, and plug it in as is to see whether there's any problems with it. So you can cut the camera. So we have dried the joystick off, dried the connector inside just by blowing some air in there. So connected it to the CAN network. We're going to initiate connection, which we have, and now we power the joystick. And we've got our heartbeat node, so there we go. Now we need to go and initiate T3, send.
Oh, that's
you need
14.
To change
the E to F in the message.
Okay, so
the next box, B1.
Yep, to F there. Okay, send. Alright, so we've got messages happening. Alright, now the next one is this one here. You need to change to
check the.
Yep.
Yep.
Now, now the next message is.
You're going to change the E to an F.
E to an F. Okay.
And then we'll get the analog output.
Alright, so now we got messages coming out. Okay. Changing nicely. Push buttons. All are working. Okay, so it survived. So the next thing is to open it up to see where we actually got some water inside or not. So we'll stop this, connection disconnect. We're gonna open this up. It's not going to be easy to open, but not impossible. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to have to break that seal. So I need this little flat fella. Oh, this is always not a very finished way of doing it. Okay. Sure is sticky. come off. But it's still hanging on. I thought this screw came out all the way. Maybe I didn't get it last time. There we are. So, don't see any water ingresses yet. We'll just undo the connector. 19 or 20 or something like that.
I think it's the one on my desk. Because I've been using it all day.
The actual silicon still is wet.
Really?
Yeah. Well, it hasn't been 7 days, has it? Well, there's no water inside here at all. Oh, hang on, what's this here? There was a little bit of moisture in here. Where did it come from? Let's have a look. It's not on the board. Oh yeah, I know. I done this a little bit of a tragic thing when I undid it. So I gotta fix that up. So now having a look in the handle. Okay, almost there. Okay. Alright, so obviously we expected water in here, but that's quite empty. It drained out quite well through the top and bottom hole. Incidentally, I've noticed that even though that this one here didn't have the slot cut out of it, it still worked. It actually drained out of the top hole. So now time to look inside the head there. I suspect we will see something in here, but the switches and the little roller is IP67 according to the manufacturer, so it would really make no difference if we did get water in here. And there it is, there's the water that's come out. This is what it actually ended up inside. So we are getting a little bit of water in here, but as you can see this is totally sealed, so it shouldn't bother it. Yep. Alright, so that's it. That's what we found.